Today, your website is often the first interaction customers have with your business. Many websites look good, but they fail to guide visitors toward meaningful actions. Without clear messaging, structured landing pages, and strong calls to action, traffic simply passes through. At Inboundsys, we build conversion-focused websites designed to guide visitors from interest to action. The result is a website that doesn't just inform, it actively drives leads and supports your sales pipeline. If your website isn't generating leads, it may be time to rethink how it works.